How to change date and time in Windows 11. In this video, we'll show you how to adjust your computer's clock and calendar settings. First, click on the Start menu and select Settings. Then click on Time and Language and then Date and Time. In the Date and Time settings page, you can manually set the date and time by turning off the set time automatically. Toggle and clicking on the Change button under the Set the date and time manually. From here, you can adjust the date and time to your desired settings. After setting date and time, tap on Change button. Now let's set your time zone. You can also set your time zone by clicking on the time zone and selecting your desired time zone from the list. That's it. We hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to change the date and time in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.